Today we are learning ICT 2022 YouTube mentorships in 4 minutes. Hey traders, we all know that ICT talks a lot in his videos and they can be very long sometimes. There are a total of 41 videos for ICT 2022 YouTube mentorship, which can be very overwhelming for you to go through all of them. In today's video, I'm not here to reteach you his concepts, but I'm going to share all of my personal takeaways summarized from 41 videos in 4 minutes. Hopefully this video can refresh your memories for some of you or serve as a starting point to start learning ICT mentorships and his concepts. However, it is still advised for you to watch all of ICT videos for full understanding of his concepts because there are so many ideas which are not covered in this video. First of all, time. Time is an important factor because, as mentioned by ICT, algorithms are used based on specific time. Therefore, we have to look at the time first before we even look at the price. ICT call them kill zones. Kill zones are time windows for Asian, London, and New York trading sessions. Make sure you always change your time zone to New York or view the market through the lens of New York time zone. The best time to trade Forex for London session is between 2 to 5 AM Eastern Time. For a New York session, 7 to 11 Eastern Time. For futures or equity, it will be between 8:30 to 11 AM. Make sure you take note of 9:30 equity open as well. For the afternoon session, it will be between 1:30 to 3 PM. According to ICT, price is always drawing to liquidity stops and imbalance because the algorithm only runs on 2 principles: liquidity, rebalancing, and creating imbalance. Price move towards liquidity, also known as retail stop loss during certain time period or kill zones. The buy side liquidity is the stop loss resting above the old highs, and the sell side liquidity is the stop loss resting below the old lows. Fair value gap is when price moves too quickly or too fast in one direction, creating a gap inside candlesticks. Usually the price will move back or retrace to fill those gaps. Fair value gap is often a very good entry point. Daily bias. We use power of 3 to identify our daily likely bias. Power of 3 is how a candlestick forms. When price opens, it goes into accumulation, then manipulation, and distribute the price to neither bullish or bearish direction. When we expect a bullish bias, we can look for buy-side liquidity pools that reside in that direction and look for our entry point, which is often our fair value gap. Market structure shift or break in market structure. Market structure shift happens when there's a shift in an opposite direction with displacement. The market structure break in a bullish market is where the price moves from lower low to a new higher high and from a higher high to a new lower low. In a bearish market, fair value gap often comes right after a market structure shift where we can hunt for an entry setup. Equilibrium, premium, and discount. You can identify them by drawing a fib and create a range. For the bullish market, you will look to buy in a discount area, the lower half. For a bearish market, you look to sell in a premium area, the upper half. This can be understood in a very logical way. It is like going for shopping. You always want to buy things at a discount. If you're a businessman, you always want to sell your Beijing corn as high as possible at a premium price. And the market maker use the same logic. This is definitely not a complete picture of what ICT teaches in his mentorship. It is highly recommended to check out all of his videos to fully understand the strategy. The sole purpose of this video is to refresh your memory or give you a short and quick introduction to what I have learned from ICT 2022 YouTube mentorship. Go and check out my previous video if you're not sure where or how to start learning ICT. Alright traders, always remember to apply what you learn in the market. I have shared my notes and screenshot from episode 2 to 10. I'll put a link in the description. Check them out. You can download them for free. Hopefully they will help you with your studies.